Can we all agree that humidity messes up everything? It can ruin your hair and throw off your mood. Baking is no exception. Humidity has a big effect in the kitchen. Air that is warmer can hold more moisture than cooler air, so many bakers run into issues on hot, humid, and rainy days. Indoor humidity can dictate if your baked goods fall flat, dry out, crumble, or wind up too chewy. Let's start with the most common ingredients: flour, sugar, and baking powder. They're hygroscopic, which means they absorb the moisture from the air around us. Most ingredients should be stored in cool, dry areas. If you don't, your doughs and batters may not rise properly. On the other hand, higher humidity can help baked goods retain moisture and allow yeast to keep expanding for a longer period of time. I will leave you with this. The next time you want to channel your inner cake boss or Betty Crocker, check the forecast first. Maybe that'll keep your cookies from crumbling.